everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. We could all use a little bit of vocal positivity, and sometimes it's hard to feel amazing about our own voices. It's so common that the phenomenon has a name: voice confrontation. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about that and how to get over it, check out this video right here. Now, let's take a moment to sit or stand tall. Open up your chest. Roll those shoulders gently back. I like to do it one at a time to make sure that our neck doesn't get involved. And then take a full, relaxed breath. Sigh out. As always, feel free to change octaves anytime you need to. The exercises are listed below. Let's start with an efficient E sound, but maybe think wee. Let's sing wee. Wee. Up and down now, let's sing the words lovely voices singing strong, like lovely voices singing strong. Keep that airflow steady but gentle. Lovely voices singing strong. 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 Moving up and down now, a triad arpeggio. Let's sing on yeah, like yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Now's a good time for me to remind you that I have published a Vocal Warmup app for singers. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, and you can bring me with you, commercial-free, and save your favorites for offline use. I hope you'll check it out. Links are below. Moving on now to some diction and flexibility, let's sing on the words voices ringing, bravely singing on. Like voices ringing, bravely singing on. 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 Let's focus now on singing a smooth and connected sound. We'll sing on the words flowing, beautiful sound, like flowing beautiful sound, 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 flowing beautiful sound. Let's do some sirens and glides now. You can follow along with me or go at your own pace. Try to let go of judgment and just let sound and vibration take over. Let's tap into our vocal strength now. We're going to sing belting, strong, and bold. Again, aim for relaxation, but plenty of breath, but let go of judgment because we're going to push the edges just a little bit. The pattern is belting, strong, and bold, 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 belting, strong, and bold. Let's take a moment to bottom out our range. Let's sing the lyrics low and relaxed, like low and relaxed. Here we go. Low and relaxed, 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 low and relaxed Finally, let's finish up with an exercise that's going to stretch our range in either direction. We're going to remind ourselves of the love of singing as we sing the words, "Oh, how I love to sing," like, "Oh, how I love to sing. Oh, 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 how I love to sing. That was a high C if you're keeping track. If you phonated on every single one of those notes, we've covered 3 octaves today. Thanks for singing with me today. I hope you're feeling warmed up and ready to sing. Of course, thanks for liking and subscribing and interacting and commenting and sharing this with a friend. I do hope you'll check out my mobile app linked below and here. I'll see you next time.